Hello everybody, and welcome to Paradigm City, where our focus is on the financial. My name is Matthew, and as always, if you'd like to get free stock through the Robinhood Markets app, then just click the link below in the description and sign up to begin buying, selling, and trading stocks for free today. Remember, you have a 1 in 150 chance of getting Berkshire Hathaway, Facebook, or even Apple stocks, so that's not bad. Today we are taking a look at First Majestic Silver, ticker symbol AG, at a size of around $213.8 million in total current assets. First Majestic is a Canadian silver mining company that has 7 producing mines under its control operating in Mexico. They also produce and sell their own bullion rounds and bars, which others produce and market through private mints. After looking around through several sources, a Motley Fool article had this to say. Now, where gold typically gets all of the attention when it comes to precious metals, the current spread between the price of gold and silver, known as the gold to silver ratio, is near the highest point it's been in at least the last 20 years. And when the difference between these precious metals gets wide, the ratio often narrows because of a silver rally. With that said, First Majestic's focus is definitely on silver, which makes up around 60% of revenues. The company produced a record 5.1 million silver equivalent ounces in the second quarter of this year, increasing 2018 production guidance to between 20.5 million and 22.6 million ounces. The latest edition of the San Dimas mine, added in May of 2018, has pushed First Majestic's production higher for the first time in several years in a big way, with a silver production growth of more than 30%. The only problem here is cost. First Majestic's all-in sustaining costs in 2018 are expected to be between $14.53 per ounce and $15.83 per ounce, with silver currently only trading at around $14.50 an ounce. However, if you take into account the current volatility in the stock market, which could eventually lead to a sharp rise in silver prices, First Majestic would quickly break into the black. With its modest amount of long-term debt, about 15% of the capital structure, AG has demonstrated its ability to generate sufficient levels of cash flow, while its debt hovers at a safe level. There was also this coming out of Simplywall.st. With all this upside, however, that didn't stop shares of First Majestic Silver from tumbling 17.2% recently. Mexico is the world's largest silver-producing country, but opposition and protests by locals have gathered significant ground in recent years. In late November 2018, Mexico's new Congress initiated several bills calling for tougher mining regulations that would give indigenous communities and government greater say in mining approvals. Shares of Mexican miners tanked, and First Majestic was one of them. AG should become the largest pure-play silver company in the world moving forward, but as an investor, you need to keep track of any future developments in Mexico that could hurt the miners' prospects. With that said, like all of these precious metal stocks, their net worth is directly connected to the price of silver, and historically the price of silver has risen dramatically during years of recession. Also, a lot of these other silver companies who are transitioning into producing gold could get caught off guard if things go sideways quick in the stock market, potentially giving First Majestic a leg up in the industry. So I personally consider First Majestic's dedication to almost exclusively producing silver a major plus. However, miners having issues with the local government and all of AG's mines being in Mexico, to me, could be a real problem. I'd like to see more diversity in that area of the company for sure. That's a quick look at First Majestic Silver. Links to articles are down below, as well as a link to the Robinhood app. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like and subscribe or leave me a comment down below. Again, I am Matthew here in Paradigm City, hoping you negotiate the markets and wishing you success in all of life's positive investments.